Parameter properties allow us to simplify our property declarations. We can add an access modifier in front of a parameter, and this will tell the compiler to initialize the value. So we can do public for the ID, and private for the name. Then we can remove the declarations up here, as well as everything in the constructor body. Basically, we declare all our properties in the constructor's parameter list. So we can bring the nickname down as well. And if you remember, we had our ID as read-only, so we'll add that after the public keyword. And by convention, we add an underscore to private properties. This line is getting a little long, so let's break it up and put each declaration on its own line. Okay, from now on, we'll declare our properties directly in the constructor's parameter list.